All right, here we go. We are going to go into the Mind Museum. Where are we at, Shani?
The Mind Museum.
I know. What's the town we're in?
Taguig.
How do you say it?
Taguig.
All right, here we go. We got Jonah, Judah, and who else? Jada Sauce. And we got Boss Mom. All right, here we go. We had to park over here at the Rich People's Mall. All right, so it's 750 pesos a person, but because we have 3 birthdays in October, we only got 1 free admission, but whatever. We got 1 free admission, right, Shani?
Yeah. Who's for the birthday?
So it was 3,000 pesos for all 4 of us, and here we go. Shani's already shushing me. Why are you shushing me, Shani?
Dad, look.
What is that? All right, here we go.
Is the birthday thing?
Oh yes, it was all because of you. They said it's Jada's birthday this month. Bet him up.
Thank you.
Oh, security. Oh, excuse us. The birthday girl, she gets a wristband. Wow.
So just a reminder po, your ticket is valid until 6
Thank
p.m.
you.
So you can go in and out the museum as long as you have your ticket pass. And then by 2:30 there is a robot show. So if you want to watch, you can go back to our
There's a robot show.
Robot. Let's go check this place out. Robot show. What is this? Oh, it's buttons. Like, this is the robot show.
Oh.
It's kind of like trying to find out if a 20-sided die is rigged. Maybe you suspect it's twice as likely to land on a 3 than on an
3.
That's how energy was made, yeah? What? I can't do it like solid. Space. Dad, isn't there like a little machine every time we isn't there a
Attracted to the
drill?
Earth, the Earth's also attracted to you. The Earth thinks its minuscule degrees is also falling towards you. Thanks to Einstein and his theory of general relativity, we know now that gravity is not a force, but a fabric made of interwoven threads of space-time, which is bent by the mass of
That's the
objects.
Earth. Yeah, it's spinning around. Cool. Look at it.
Years ago, Newton explained gravity to be a force attracting objects to each other.
The sun and goes
Jordan Balshah.
Circulation. A study of patterns with which oceans move determine effects to our climate. The two distinct current systems in the ocean are surface circulation, which moves the winds of the air to sea, and deep circulation, which covers the moon and deep sea. The dominant pattern of surface circulation
We'll see.
is well organized and close to a roughly circular motion the Pacific Rainfall
This is so fun.
causes the ground to shake and get displaced, like when happened in our country's main kingdom, which stretches across the ground. If the displacement happens in the ocean,
Mom, Judah.
knowing which areas are dangerous in this way will help us know what to do in advance to manage natural disasters to the best possibility.
so we can watch it at. Oh, we passed it.
thought you wanted to watch that other show back here. Okay.
Every second, the sun emits 1,000,000 times more energy than the world consumes every year. Where does such a huge amount of power come from? And how does the mechanism of this star work? Observing the night sky ends with daybreak. But is that when the astronomers go to bed? No way. This is when they put their solar telescopes to work. You can find the biggest ones in places that have calm air and clear weather for most of the year, like here in the Canary Islands. But the best solar observatory is not located on Earth. It's on an orbit 36,000 kilometers away from us. It's called the Solar Dynamics Observatory, or SDO, and it's been continuously observing the sun since 2010. The Space Observatory takes a picture of the sun every 12 seconds, and the images reveal amazing details. They show that the sun is far from being as calm as it seems at first glance. The Solar Dynamic Observatory observes our star in the ultraviolet region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Unlike red, green and blue light that regular cameras detect, the space camera responds to different radiation invisible to the human eye. Imagine if we sped up time. 1 second in these shots actually takes about 20 minutes. And the sun suddenly comes to life. Everything is constantly moving. Hot plasma swirls in a magnetic field, creating fantastic loops. The size of these phenomena is beyond our imagination. The material in this arc has a temperature of 10 million degrees Celsius. It's almost as hot as in the core of the sun, where its giant reactor burns hydrogen into helium. This is the source of incredible solar energy. Solar eruptions are often accompanied by coronal mass ejections. Their particles then travel at speeds up to 1,000 kilometers per second through interplanetary space and may encounter our planet. On Earth, they produce impressive auroras and sometimes disrupt distribution networks and damage telecommunication satellites. Exceptionally strong solar storms can cause serious damage on Earth. One such storm in March 1989 knocked out the power in most of Quebec, Canada, for 9 hours. We've discovered a lot of the answers to the many questions concerning the sun. But more mysteries have arisen. We know, for example, that the sun's activity changes every 11 years. But why does it change? Why is it every 11 years? And why does our star sometimes break the cycle? And even the Solar Dynamic Observatory is not perfect. It only observes the sun's surface and its closest vicinity. But what's happening further away? In the space of the solar system? The visible surface is not where the sun ends. It stretches out much further. You can see that for yourselves during total eclipses. When the moon obscures our daytime star for a few dozen seconds, it reveals a beautiful structure. A corona, stretching out for a distance of many million kilometers. As if the sun stretched out its arms, embracing the planets around. But there's a catch. You get the chance to see a total solar eclipse several times a year at most, and only from a very small part of the Earth's surface, if the sky is clear, of course. telescopes, satellites, and other special detectors, and the opportunity to observe the sun during eclipses, our star is under permanent surveillance. The better we can predict the processes happening on its surface, the better we can get ready for the results of its behavior. One day, we may even imitate the processes inside the sun and start producing clean energy hidden in atomic nuclei. Are there any stars similar to our sun in the universe? Today we know there are. Our galaxy alone has billions of them. And our knowledge of the sun will tell us a lot about the other heavenly bodies. And yet the sun is unique because, at least as far as we know, it's the only star in the universe in the vicinity of which life was born. A tiny cluster of cells that started exploring the world around them. Isn't that incredible?
Jonah, look at the TV.
Children has a very high regard for environmental conservation, which extends to the farm waits. An average of 5 years comes between breeding and the work does not always resemble
I won't be.
Love you too.
Aluminum and something that we call ammonium perchlorate. And however, sa liquid fuel naman po, meron kayong tinatawag na combination ng liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. So, because so when you say no, fuels don't even have to consider. So, we're going to liquid after our engine is just that it turns upside down. Yes, no. Right, no? But we will go there in a minute. Right? Let's show first how we are going to, or what will happen if we mix those things up. So, ating na, let's take over under the oxygen. So, yan na yung addition ng konting 95% alcohol. Yung ating container. Just enough na ma-cover na yung ating, or yung pakuan nung loob ng ating container. Kasi ating take siya ng konti, shake. And po, so ako nag-check na lang, nag-evaporate na po yung ibang alcohol. Since yung alcohol has a very low boiling point. And nag-evaporate po siya at vapor, or yung alcohol vapor natin po. So ayan, nakakami natin or connecting na sa Ate Sheila would like you to clean her up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ano nangyari? What happened there is that there was a chemical substance that happened.
Look at this.
Exactly. Thanks for walking us through it. If we're honest, we should settle it out. But if the actions but the problem itself wasn't confirmed. Basically, a heavy version of the nutrient was actually insignificant.
What we think excited, no monitors natin. And then you cover sa loob ulit. Ito sabi ko kanina, ang tendency was
If you know about cheese and you know about crackers, then the discovery of cheese and crackers, as delightful as it may be, is highly valuable.
Fun. Let me feel. Jonah, can I feel? That's fun. It's staying.
The red, Jada.
Jada, stand in the red.
Jada.
It's going up.
Your hair is...
I always see favorite shows, and I always wanted to try this.
Did you see your hair? It's all static.
My hair is probably messed up. What's the robot movie?
Oh, Jada, look. You can see your dermis.
Let me see. Cool. Can I see it?
See the hair?
Mom, can I see?
Jonah, put it in your skin. Look. That's so fun. Look at you.
Stop it. I'm showing it to you how microscope works.
See, you see your skin?
What are those little black thingies?
That's your skin. That's how it is.
Can you imagine?
What about me, Mom?
That is got a lot of hair. That's the follicles. See your skin cells?
Wow, Dad. Can it be my turn?
You want it on my vein?
No, not until.
No, right here. This one. Oh, wow.
See your hair? See the hair?
Oh,
See how it is? Look like? See your hair?
What about the strip?
No, the particle of the. You're just gonna see the cloth. See how your cloth is? That's how the cloth made of. Full of fibers.
it's pretty cool, huh, Judah?
How about your hair? How about your gonna adjust it. Wait. See your palm? Is that loud?
Mom,
get to see the bones. And you get to see the muscles. Then you get to see the arteries, veins, and vessels. Pretty cool.
It can even soar high up beyond the clouds and into the vastness of space.
It's Jonah.
Yes, this one special species has transformed the Earth in ways that no other have been able to do. Even if it has only existed for about 200,000 years, a very young species on a planet that is 4.6 billion years old. Countless life forms have thrived on this planet long before the first humans appeared. One of them is still found in the coastal areas of the Philippines. This is the green sea turtle, which is lovingly called the bowgun. If we take a journey back hundreds of millions of years, we will probably not recognize planet Earth. 250 million years ago, all of the continents were joined into the supercontinent called Pangaea. 200 million years ago, due to the shifting in the ocean floor, Pangaea broke into two giant land masses, Laurasia and Gondwana. On these fragments walked the Earth's largest known inhabitants, the dinosaurs. Alongside these colossal figures existed the ancestors of the bowgun, a reptile that first thrived on land, then evolved to live in the waters. In time, the continuous tectonic plate movement caused the rupture of Laurasia and Gondwana land. Their non-stop movements caused these land masses to drift and eventually settle in their present location. Some 65 million years ago, a massive meteor fell on the Yucatan Peninsula and caused an impact so powerful that it shifted the axis of the planet and covered the atmosphere in debris for thousands of years. Many species of creatures perished, save for a few, like the bowgun. After the dinosaurs disappeared, smaller animals began to emerge and proliferate, including many species of mammals to which human beings belong. The Philippine area became a site of magmatic activity. Movements in our seaplates resulted to earthquakes, tremors, and the formation of volcanoes. As the masses moved, a block of the Asian continent broke off from the Eurasian plate. This formed Palawan, making it the oldest portion of our Philippine archipelago. As the Indo-Australian plate drifted and clashed with the Pacific and Asiatic plates, the Philippine plate was greatly compressed from the southeast and south portions. Islands began to emerge along the eastern coasts as well as in Mindanao, including Jolo. At the same time, the volcanic terrains of Luzon, Visayas, and central Mindanao started to form as the Proto-Philippines island arc began moving along the edge of the Philippine sea plate. Finally, the Earth's turbulent climate stabilized. Milder weather and seasons allowed species to prosper. The stage was now set for the rise of man's earliest ancestors, and as man evolved from being arboreal to bipedal, the hardy Pawikan was there to witness it all. With every passing minute, the world continues to change. Try to feel the ground. Do you feel it moving? Probably not, because each year the plates that lie beneath it move only 10 centimeters apart. That's a very small measure, but the base of the Earth is moving nonetheless. Because the Earth's crust is constantly shifting, there's really no way of telling what kind of changes may occur in the distant future. Do you ever wonder what kind of creatures would inhabit the Earth eons from now? Will human beings still be around to find out? And if we survive, how much change would we have to undergo? Will the tough and enduring Pawikan still be walking the planet by then? Who knows?
Watch your step.
Saw on Escort, our very own TV show. Well, learning is never boring in line at school. Are you enjoying the concert? Aren't those dance robot moves so cool? Now, it's time for me to show you my personal talent. This performance requires the help of the dance robot friends. Can you guys dance while I beatbox? Of course, we will dance to your beatbox. Let me warm up before the performance. Now, my beatbox performance will begin. It's so much fun to show my beatbox in front of an audience after a long time. Shall we continue with the robot dance team? Dance team, are you ready? I believe we're all ready, so let's proceed to the next performance right away. This is the last song for this concert. Please give a big round of applause to our dance robot friends. Did you enjoy our performance? Sadly, it's time to say goodbye. Our performance has come to an end, but there are various experiences and exciting attractions waiting for you throughout the exhibition hall. I hope you enjoy the rest of your visit.
What was the second one? That was so slow. This is the most slowest I've ever We're good at this game. Lana, come on. Let's play two. Lana, come on. Let's play two. Oh. You have more. All time score. I'm gonna get zero. I'm gonna get zero.
Nope.
crooked spines and need help from doctors. In extreme cases of spine
All right, that's going to do it for our tour of the Mine Museum. See you on the next one.